All right, let's get straight to it. 2015 Toyota Corolla. This is the 1.8 liter. And today we are changing the water outlet. This is what your part should look like. So this is where it is in the vehicle. This is the reason why we're changing it. This piece broke off right here, and it's right next to the battery. Unfortunately, we have to remove the battery to reach those two bottom bolts. There's two bolts at the bottom right down there that sits right underneath the battery tray. So this battery has to be removed in order to get to that. The first thing we want to do is disconnect the battery. It's a 10mm to get the negative and the positive terminals off. Once you get your terminals off, then it's time to get this battery hold down up. You only have to remove this 10mm here. Once that's up, you can just take that and swing that around and out of the way. And now we can lift this battery up. With the battery out of the way, this tray easily slides out of the way, and you can see the two 10mm bolts for that. But first, we're gonna go ahead and take these two hose clamps off. Make sure that you drain enough coolant out. You don't have to drain all of the coolant because this is pretty much on the high side. Just drain enough coolant out so that you won't have too much spillage from here. And I mean, you can drain it all out just to be safe if you want as well. All right, so I only lost a little bit of coolant, and that's from not even draining it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two 10mm bolts. Just set them right down in there. And now I can pick this up, and that's what the old part looks like. Now we can go ahead and install this new part. Okay, so after that, I can go ahead and slide my hoses, my two hoses on. Just like that. And then we'll set the hose clamps back up. Now I finished the other one. Okay, so got both hose clamps up there. Now this part here, I just gotta get this part out. So I'm just gonna take this hose clamp off and take something in there, put in there, and pull that out like a picker or something, and I'll be right back. All right, so now that this is cleared out, I'll just put that right where it belongs, and let's get that hose clamp back up there too. Let's get our little flap back down here. Now it's time to put our battery in. Okay, the battery is in and secure. And if you're wondering why things are wet, it's because it's starting to rain a little bit out here. But so I'll take this battery hold down and slide it back across. After that, tighten it down. And that's pretty much it. Now we can go ahead and fill our coolant. Of course, the vehicle is cool. We haven't driven it, so it's safe to take the radiator cap off. All right, so it's topped off right to the top. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you change your water outlet in a 2015 Toyota Corolla.